Hi everyone, thanks for tuning back into my channel. On today I'm going to be doing a very simple hairstyle. This hairstyle takes less than 10 minutes. So first off, what you want to do is just part your hair straight down the middle. And you want to just go ahead on and put them in two plaits, and you're going to see me doing it here.
For tonight, I don't wanna stop touching. Oh no, no, no. I'll give it to you, girl. I'll give it to you, girl. Nice and slow, and you don't need for us to rush. Oh no. I can go in and out. Oh yeah. In and out. Oh yeah. Make it scream my name, girl. You know how I like it. Go in and out. Oh yeah. In and out. Oh yeah. In and out. We finish, we gon' do it again.
Now when we met, it was love at first sight.
Okay guys, so here I'm going to just be making a part for the braid. You can put the braid whatever size you want it. I just prefer my braid to be small. I'm putting one on this side as well as the other side. So that is what I'm doing here. And you guys, the product that I'm using is styling gel. You can use any kind of styling gel you want. I just prefer to use that styling gel.
I'll be your lady, I'll be your baby, I'll be all your butt just like the Brady. I'll be your weekend when you're feeling a little lazy, be your excuse when you act a little shady. Daisy, I know right, but when I fall in love I get a little crazy. I'm talking my love combined with your love, so now it's our love and loving all night.
And you can be my girl. See, you can be my girl. For tonight, I don't wanna stop touching. Won't stop touching, no. I'll give it to you, girl. Give it to you, girl. Nice and slow, and you don't need for us to rush. No, no. I can go in and out. Oh yeah. In and out. Oh yeah. Make it scream my name, girl. You know how I like it. Go in and out. Oh yeah. In and out. Oh yeah. In and out. When we finish, we gon' do it again. Nine girl, never thought I'd ever fall in love again. Never thought we could be just more than friends. I'm in love and I can't pretend. I play a game and I plan to win. I know it ain't right. Fornication is a sin. I know your heart being broke by many men. Wanna be close to you like we can. And that body shapes just like a 10. Now when it do mine, let me do mine. Just give me the new now. Let me munch on the zoo now. Yup, act bad like a crooked cop. Climax all the way to the top. So wet, gonna need a mop. You a hit, not a flop, and you headed to the top. Let me sign you, girl, cause you far from a dot. Believe it not, you more than a dime. Yeah, I know good talent, I ain't nothing like Simon. And we both like rap, and we both like rhyme. When we get run each other, we get like silent. But I don't mind it. We don't really have to hide it. We don't really have to deny it. Nope, you can be my girl. You can be my girl. Now you can be my girl. See, you can be my girl. For tonight, I don't wanna stop touching. Oh no, I'll give it to you, girl. I give it to you, girl. Nice and slow, and you don't need for us to rush. No need to rush it, no. In and out. Oh yeah. In and out. Oh yeah. Make it scream my name, girl. You know how I like it. Go in and out. Oh yeah. In and out. Oh yeah. In and out. When we finish, we gon' do it again.
Okay, now that I have my hair in two plaits, what I'm going to do now is add some extensions to it. This type of hair is 100% connect line hair. Like I said, you can use any brand you want. I just prefer to use these brands, but it is 100% connect line hair. I am doing half purple and half brown. You can do any color you want as well. And I'm just going to go ahead on and put it, the purple hair and the brown hair on a big rubber band so I can go ahead and twist it on my hair. And you're going to see me do that in the video as well.
For tonight, I don't wanna stop touching. Oh no, no, no. I'll give it to you, girl. I'll give it to you, girl. Nice and slow, and you don't need for us to rush. Oh no. I can go in and out. Oh yeah. In and out. Oh yeah. Make it scream my name, girl. You know how I like it. Go in and out. Oh yeah. In and out. Oh yeah. In and out. We finish, we gon' do it again.
Now when we met, it was love at first sight. So I knew deep inside I was yours and you was mine. Our first kiss was passion, my reaction, yeah, he crashing. Tonight I can only imagine we at my house, we laughing, we happy. Just calling, I'm thinking about nasty, cause I'm a classy and he's a classic. I wanna be his chick and I'ma show him tricks like how a friendship can turn to love quick. And if you decide to fall in love with me, I'll never make it complicated for you to leave. I'll be your ride or die, I'll be your queen bee, I'll be your mixture just like a sweet tea. I'll be your lady, I'll be your baby, I'll be all your butt just like the Brady. I'll be your weekend when you're feeling a little lazy, be your excuse when you act a
almost done. So now what you want to go ahead on and do is, once you have your 2 buns in, you want to secure your buns with bobby pins. As you guys can see, the other side is loosening up. That's why it don't look even, but I did go in and add bobby pins to both of my buns so they can look even. And to finish this hairstyle off, all I'm doing is adding some hair rings just to add a little flavor to this hairstyle.
I know it ain't right, fornication is a sin. I know your heart been broke by many men. Wanna be close to you like we kid. And that body shapes just like a 10. Now when it do mine, let me do mine. Just give me the new.
Okay, that's it for this hair tutorial. If you guys like this hairstyle, don't forget to comment and rate. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell, you guys, because I will be having a lot of more uploads. I'll try to go ahead and upload daily as well. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, you guys, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and God bless.
We don't really have to deny it. Nope, you could be my girl. You could be my